here today and be part of this great start. I think cricket is a big sport in this part of the world. And for those who don't know, I spent some time of my life in a country that is very close and very famous in cricket. So I lived in Trinidad and Tobago, where Brian Lara was born, right? And I think this was a moment when I understood how cricket is popular in the world. And then when I came back to Nepal, I was happy to witness this initiative of launching and kickstarting the Nepal Premier League. I think it's going to be a huge success, and I believe many people understand that, and we will see more traction in this sport, which I believe is going to be supporting the young talents in Nepal to show themselves and start representing their talents in the global arena. So Ncell is privileged and honored to be the title sponsor of Lumbini Lions. Thank you very much for that, Jabbor. Best of luck, our captain, Rohit. Best of luck, entire team. We believe you're gonna win the first title of the champions of India. I wish you all the luck for that. And obviously, coach, we trust in your leadership and we believe the team will support the entire strategy of yours. Once again, thank you very much. Best of luck to all of us. Ncell here for Nepal. Ncell is always proud to be part of these initiatives that promoting Nepal and raising the flag of Nepal high in the global world. Thank you.
With a big round of applause, please help us welcome reveal our new Lumbini Lions jersey. Here is our new Lumbini Lions jersey. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone.